Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable token approvals in MetaMask, full guide step by step clearly. Open your MetaMask wallet. Log in to your MetaMask account. Once logged in, locate the account icon in the top right corner. Click on the account icon to open the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Security and Privacy. Click on Security and Privacy to expand the options. Scroll down to find Token Approvals. Click on Token Approvals to view your current token permissions. You will see a list of tokens with their respective approval statuses. Identify the tokens for which you want to disable approvals. For each token, look for the Edit or Remove option next to it. Click on Remove to revoke the token approval. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your choice to disable the token approval. Repeat this process for any additional tokens as necessary. After removing the approvals, return to the main wallet interface. Always ensure you regularly check your token approvals for security. This practice helps protect your assets from unauthorized access. Congratulations, you have now disabled token approvals in MetaMask. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.